Hey friends, I want to show you today how to cut meat into long strips. It works well on venison and beef for dehydrating and making jerky. I read about it in an old book about how they used to make natural jerky and dry it and make it very, very thin. So it works if the chicken is a little bit frozen. I usually don't eat beef or venison, so I use it on my chicken when I need to make long strips or just small pieces. And when it's too thick, it doesn't cook in the middle and cook evenly, so I usually fillet it kind of like this and then cut it down, and then I can cut it and fry it up a little bit quicker. So this is a typical size of a breast, and what you do is you cut off any fat, throw it away, and then you can do this as thin as you want. You have to have a good sharp knife to do it quite thin, but it would work for, I do this when I'm making wrapped bacon and cheese and peppers and things like that. You roll the chicken when you're going to roll the chicken. So what you do is you cut a thin layer one direction, and you don't cut it all the way through. You cut it just about the end. You can see where it's not cut there, and then you can flip it, and then you turn it around. Well, I'm right-handed, so I turn it around, but then you go down just a little bit and you start cutting the other direction, and you cut it almost all the way through, and not all the way, and then can you see how that's working? So then I would flip it and I would cut it this direction. It's not done yet, but I would cut it that direction. So then you look, I have a nice big long thin piece of chicken, and I roll up bacon and peppers and things and put toothpicks in them and drizzle them with cheese, and it's very good. But it doesn't work with the smaller breast as well, or the odd shaped breast. You can see this was a funny shaped breast, but I wanted to show you how you roll it up and make it into, this one would be perfect for chicken strips, deep fried chicken strips or something like that. So then what you do is you fold it back up like that, and then you cut it, let's see, I'm getting confused. You cut it like this. So you turn it sideways and you cut it like this. So you cut here, 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 and then it becomes strips like this. So you can see how I left those ones together so you can see how it goes. So 1, and then 2, and then 3, and then 4. Obviously this was a smaller, I already did the bigger ones before I thought about sharing this. But that's the way you can make longer chicken strips. So this one would be perfect for longer chicken strips, and that would be super long. You can see, because that's 1, 2, 3. It would be one more length of that. So if I cut those up into chicken strips, sorry, I can't do it and hold the camera, but anyway, that would be, the chicken strips would be, gosh, a foot long. So depending on the size, and if I could cut them thinner, it could be twice this, it could be as long as this. You just go alternating, so one cut here, one cut here, one cut here, one cut here. And if you have a really sharp knife, you can get it super, super thin. I don't like it that super thin because there's no point. I mean, I like the chicken flavor as well. So I usually do, when I'm doing the rolled chicken breasts with the meat and bacon and stuff inside of it, I'll usually do 4 cuts. So, and I would even use this one here. I would just put the chicken and the peppers and the bacon and then just roll it and hold it with toothpicks. So anyway, I just wanted to share that. So if you're going to make beef jerky or venison jerky, feel free to do it this way, because it makes super long, thin strips, and it dries quicker, and then you don't get the bacteria or something not dehydrating as thinly. So I just wanted to share that because that was kind of a weird thing that I know that I studied 30 years ago. So anyway, check out my blog. I'll take pictures and try and describe it with the pictures on my blog, thesecretisgratitude.com. And check out my channel, The Secret is Gratitude, on YouTube. And thanks for watching, and have a very blessed day.